Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header color Weebly. First, open Weebly and head to your dashboard. From there, click into the website you want to work on. You'll see options like Edit Site or simply Edit. Go ahead and click that. If you're greeted with a Start Editing button, click it to enter the site builder. The goal is to get into the visual editor where you can interact with the page directly. Once the editor loads, move your mouse over the top section of your page, the header area. This is typically the large banner or strip at the top that holds your site title, logo, and navigation. Click directly on the header to activate its settings. When it's selected, look for the option called Edit Background. This is where Weebly lets you control the visual styling of that header area. Choose Edit Background, then select Change Color. This switches the header background to a solid color rather than an image, or it lets you apply a color overlay depending on your theme. You'll see a color picker pop up. You can drag the selector to find a shade you like, type in a hex code if you have a specific brand color, or use preset swatches for quick choices. As you adjust, keep an eye on your text and navigation links. Aim for strong contrast so your menu stays readable. Dark text over a light header, or light text over a dark header works best. Now, customize. Many themes provide additional controls here, such as opacity or tint sliders. If your theme supports an overlay, slightly increasing the opacity can help your text stand out without losing the design's character. Preview how the color looks across different pages by switching between them in the editor. Also, take a quick glance at tablet and mobile views in the preview controls to ensure the color still looks great on smaller screens. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live on your domain. After publishing, visit your site in a new browser tab to confirm everything looks as expected. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page. Remember that your change applies to the header area you edited. Some themes use different header layouts on different page types, so repeat the same color customization on any additional headers if needed within this same editing session. That's it. You've successfully changed your Weebly header color. A clean, consistent header color can strengthen your brand and improve readability for your visitors. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your site's look.